When I think about ICS, I think about the people who believed in me and constantly challenged me to grow.
For me, ICS was where I learned to live with purpose and care for others. One of the experiences that changed me most was Without Walls. We stepped into real communities and understand their needs. It made me realize that even small acts of service can have a meaningful impact, and that what I can do genuinely matters to someone else. ICS showed me that success is not only about academic achievements, but also about how you use your gifts to serve others.
At ICS, learning was about asking questions, understanding ideas, and learning about how to think for yourself. My teachers pushed me to stay curious, work hard, and take ownership of my learning. That mindset became a strong foundation for me, especially when I transitioned into university.
What made our time here special was the people.
It's a place where teachers genuinely care for you and want to see you succeed.
And where friends encourage one another to grow, serve, and become better people. ICS instilled in me a life of purpose.
And gave me the confidence to pursue what's ahead.